Welcome to our channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 finest extra virgin olive oils of 2025, perfect for cooking, drizzling, or dipping. These selections are packed with flavor, quality, and health benefits. Whether you're a home chef or a foodie, you won't want to miss this list. Links in the description to explore or shop each one. Let's dive into the liquid gold of 2025. Number 5. Amazon Fresh's Italian extra virgin olive oil is a high-quality pantry essential that delivers great flavor at an excellent value. Packaged in a sturdy 2-liter bottle, dimensions 4.25 by 4.25 by 11 inches, this oil is cold-pressed and imported from Italy, ensuring authenticity and richness in every drop. The olive oil has a smooth, well-balanced taste with a mild peppery finish ideal for drizzling over salads, sautéing vegetables, or even baking. Its versatility is one of its standout features. It enhances dishes without overpowering them, and the rich aroma adds a gourmet touch to everyday meals. What truly sets this product apart is its unbeatable price-to-quality ratio. Many users, including myself, find it comparable to higher-end brands but at a fraction of the cost. It's reliable, consistent, and has quickly become a staple in my kitchen. This is my 5th purchase, and it hasn't let me down once. With 67.6 fluid ounces per bottle, it offers excellent longevity for home cooks. Whether you're an occasional cook or a culinary enthusiast, Amazon Fresh's extra virgin olive oil is a smart, flavorful choice. Highly recommended for anyone looking to elevate their cooking without breaking the bank. Number 4. Atlas Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a standout among premium oils, and it more than lives up to its reputation. Harvested from a single family-owned farm in Morocco's Marrakesh region, this Evo is unprocessed, organic, and packed with polyphenols, making it a favorite among health-conscious cooks and even Michelin-starred chefs. The blend of cultivars, including Picholine du Languedoc, Arbequina, and several native Moroccan varieties, results in a well-balanced, complex oil. Its taste is light, yet vibrant, with a rich, fruity aroma and a smooth, peppery finish. It enhances everything from vegetables and pasta to chili and sauces, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. What truly sets Atlas olive oil apart is its commitment to quality and sustainability. With a cold press extraction under 26 degrees Celsius and an acidity level as low as 0.2 degrees Celsius, it retains both flavor and nutritional benefits. The high polyphenol content offers impressive antioxidant properties, adding to its health value. Packaged in a sleek 1-liter glass bottle, 4.72 by 2.36 by 0.5 inches, 3.59 pounds, this oil is both elegant and functional. If you're looking for a light, flavorful, and health-forward olive oil, Atlas is absolutely worth trying. Number 3. Pompeian's Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil is an outstanding choice for everyday cooking, offering both quality and value in a large, family-friendly size. This 101 fluid ounce bottle is first cold-pressed, ensuring the oil retains its full-bodied flavor and natural nutrients, including a solid dose of polyphenols, which are known for their antioxidant properties. Made in the USA and carefully crafted by Pompeian, a trusted name in olive oil for over a century, this robust blend is perfect for salad dressings, marinades, roasting, and sautéing. The flavor is bold yet smooth, with a peppery kick that enhances both simple and complex dishes. It doesn't have the bland or greasy taste that some budget-friendly oils do, and it certainly doesn't seem cut with cheaper oils a concern with many mass-market options. The packaging, 5.24 x 5.24 in 11 inches, is convenient and easy to store despite the large volume. Its sturdy handle and secure cap make pouring mess-free, and the price point makes it a fantastic value, especially for home chefs who go through olive oil quickly. If you're looking for a flavorful, reliable, and affordable EVOU to keep in your kitchen year-round, Pompeian Robust is a smart and satisfying choice. Highly recommended. Number 2. Elora Farms Single Estate Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a true gem for olive oil enthusiasts who value purity, flavor, and traceability. Sourced from a single estate in Crete, Greece, this 1-liter PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, tin holds 67.6 fluid ounces of beautifully balanced, cold-pressed EVOO. The packaging is sturdy, 5 by 3.8 inches, 4.24 pounds, and preserves freshness with a tin that's both practical and visually appealing. What sets Elora Farms apart is not just the rich, full-bodied taste, peppery, fruity, and smooth, but also its traceability. You can verify the origin of your specific bottle via the lot number, a feature rarely seen in everyday oils. That commitment to transparency makes this product feel even more premium. It's no surprise that many users, including myself, don't even use it for cooking. It's simply too good. Instead, it shines as a finishing oil perfect for dipping fresh bread or drizzling over salads, grilled vegetables, and cheeses. The flavor is far superior to most mass-market EVOOs available in the US. If you're looking for an authentic Greek olive oil that delivers on both flavor and quality, Elora Farms is a must-have pantry staple. Highly recommended. Number 1. Atlas 3 LT Organic Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil is a premium, health-forward choice that brings the authentic taste of Morocco into your kitchen. Sourced from a single-family farm, this organic EVOO is cold-pressed and unprocessed, preserving its natural flavors and nutrients, including a high polyphenol content known for its antioxidant benefits. The 3-liter, 101.44 fluid ounces tin is not only practical for frequent use, but also ensures that the oil stays fresh and protected from light. The flavor is rich, smooth, and deeply fruity, with just a hint of pepper that makes it perfect for finishing dishes or drizzling over salads, pasta, and roasted vegetables. This olive oil is versatile enough for everyday cooking, but also refined enough for more gourmet preparations. Many users, including chefs and health-conscious consumers, appreciate the olive oil's complex flavor and health benefits, making it ideal for both cooking and adding a nutritional boost to dishes. One of the standout features of Atlas olive oil is its traceability, and the fact that it comes from a family farm in Morocco, offering a direct connection to the land and tradition. Trusted by Michelin star chefs and packed with polyphenols, this is an oil worth investing in for anyone who values quality and authenticity in their ingredients. At 675 pounds and a manageable size, 4.72 by 2.36 or 0.5 inches, it's a great value for its quality. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 finest extra virgin olive oils of 2025. We hope you found the perfect oil for your kitchen. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Links in the description for all the oils featured. Stay tuned for more food tips and recommendations. See you in the next video.